Hi everyone, I'm Alyssa Young from the Turner Real Estate Network, and today I'm in this beautiful home in Riverwind. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bath home that is loaded with upgrades. Let's go check it out.
You'll notice the open floor plan and tile throughout. This gourmet kitchen has a large island, double oven, flat cooktop, and stainless steel hood. You can see the plank tile wall in the master bedroom. The master bath has dual vanities, a shower, and a tub. The outdoor patio has a sparkling pool and it's great for entertaining guests.
Thanks for coming on this tour with me. If you have any questions, you can comment below or feel free to give us a call.